The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is an all-rounder of sorts. From a superior 7 series Qualcomm chipset to a new 48 megapixel camera sensor, the smartphone has it all. And if you're looking for a smartphone to take good photos, the Redmi Note 9 Pro can be a good option to consider. Here's how you can make the most of the camera in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro rocks a quad camera setup, ensuring you have all the options to frame your shot. There's a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, another 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, a macro lens, and another 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, you get a 16 megapixel AI selfie camera housed in a punch hole camera. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro includes a new Pro Color mode option that adds a dash of saturation to the colors to make them look more vibrant. The AI scene recognition adjusts the settings for the scene that you are shooting. There's a new movie mode in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro that's pretty useful if you're shooting a home video or a college project. The movie mode adds cinema bars to your videos while the video is shot at 1080p at 30 frames per second with EIS on. Short videos are wildly popular these days, and the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a dedicated short video mode that can be customized with filters, speeds, effects, and even you can add some background music to it. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro also comes with a dedicated night mode that works with the ultra wide mode as well. Word of advice: keep the device steady while the camera is shooting. Because of the nature of the ultra-wide lens, objects close to the frame can look distorted. There's an option in the settings to correct this at the cost of the edges of the frame getting cropped out. There's also another option to correct distortion in group photos, which is pretty useful if you're also taking a lot of photos with a lot of people crammed into the frame. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a well-endowed Pro mode where you can control almost all aspects of the capture. That includes the shutter speed, exposure, ISO, white balance, and even the focus. There's also an option to capture raw photos, and you can use this mode to capture tricky shots that later need some post-processing. So yes, that was more or less all the camera tips and tricks that we could have given you about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Thanks for watching.